This is code.org, and we're going to investigate and modify, apparently. All right, let's see what we got here. Library item class represented, and where is it? It's right here. Actually, what's this do? They're giving us some code. What are you throwing at us, guys? Oh, okay. Title, interesting. We got a title, we got author. Okay, where's that coming from? Okay, title, author unknown. Oh, and here's our line things. Oh, so there must be a method, new item. Let's go look at our library item class to see what is getting run here. Oh, display. Yep, and that's going to output that information. Got it. And then what about our book class? This also has a display method. Yep. Oh, interesting. And that runs super display. Oh, and book extends library. Oh, cool. So what that means is super display, it's going to run the library display method, and then also it will run this number of pages. Okay, got it. Now wait, what are they asking us? All right, the book class extends the library class. Yep. Run the program. See, yep, we did that. Change line 7 to the library item, another book equal to new book. Line 7. Library item, another book equal new library item. Oh, okay. Then run the program. What do you notice about the input? Ah, the output. So what changed is suddenly, right? Because library item, we can have a subclass. We can assign a class that extends the parent class, like book, to a object that has the value or the data type of the parent class. So this is a library item object, but what value are we passing to it? Book, or what type of value. And the reason this works is because book extends all of library item. So it gives it all of library item still, plus a bonus, you could think of it, right? So as long as, and ooh, that doesn't have super in it though, but this one does, as long as we call the constructor with parameters, we actually are going to pass along all, because the book extends library item, all of library item. And then we also have access to super, right? So super, anytime we say super is going to call library item stuff, but we can also add additional logic, okay? Cool. The parameterized constructor for book class calls the superclass constructor to initialize title, author, and book.java. Yep. So right here, it says, hey, super. What's super reference? Well, we can always look up here. It extends the library item. So when we create a new book, it runs library item. And what's that do? Well, it gives it a new title and a new author. Cool. And then what does it do? It has this one other attribute or property, number of pages, and we also assign it that. In book.java, comment the call to the superclass constructor on line 21. Ooh, boop, 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 and hit run. Let's see. So what did that do? It left title unknown and unknown, right? Because we're no longer assigning it these values. We can still run the super because we still are extending it to some degree, but we no longer have values there. Huh. Cool. Let's see what we can build with this. Onward.